your dreams. I am Neha and today we are making a very simple paneer dish which is called Paneer Bhurji. A deliciously creamy scrambled paneer dish that goes great with roti, naan or even a slice of bread. So let's see how to make this Paneer Bhurji. Here I have about 375 grams of paneer that I'm going to grate.
Now you can grate the paneer using a box grater like this one, or you can even crumble the paneer with your hand. Once the paneer is done, we'll keep it aside and start preparing the masala. Start by adding about 2 tablespoons of oil in your pan.
When the oil gets hot enough, we'll add the cumin seeds.
As the cumin seeds start crackling, we'll add 2 pinches of Hing or Asafoetida. Then add a bay leaf and 2 finely chopped green chillies. Give this a quick mix and then add 2 tablespoons of freshly pounded ginger garlic paste. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste disappears, we'll add a finely chopped onion. As the onions start wilting, add half a teaspoon of salt.
When the onions turn translucent, we'll then add the masalas.
In goes half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Give this a quick mix and then add 3/4 of a teaspoon of Garam Masala. Nicely roast the masalas with the onions for a few seconds. Just be careful not to burn the spices.
When the masalas get nicely roasted and start becoming fragrant, in goes the tomato puree.
Add 1 cup of tomato puree and thoroughly mix it in and let it cook till it comes to a simmer. At this point, give your masala a taste and add salt as required. Next, add about a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and let the masala simmer for another minute or so.
And now it's time to add the grated paneer.
Make sure the paneer and the masala are properly mixed in together. Once the paneer and the masala are completely incorporated, cover and cook the paneer bhurji for about 2 minutes on low heat. Our paneer bhurji is ready. Make sure to garnish with fresh coriander leaves before serving. Ooh, yum yum! This paneer bhurji looks so creamy and delicious.
Time to taste! Maza aa gaya. This is so delicious and creamy. You have to make this paneer bhurji. And when you do, let me know in the comments below. Or don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!